Hello and welcome to this short tutorial on how to install Dropbox. First of all, if you navigate to www.dropbox.com and click sign up. And once you've done that, you'll be taken to this screen here where you can enter your information and sign up. And you'll need to add your email address as well. Create your password. You must agree to the terms and click sign up. Here you get to choose your version. If you want to go for the free version, it's the one that I would recommend clients to use. Just click continue. And it will now begin to download Dropbox client that you can use on your computer. As you can see, it's downloaded here. So I run the program. Once Dropbox is installed, you will see it'll come up saying Dropbox is ready. And congratulations, it's been successfully installed. And you can click to open your Dropbox folder. Now your Dropbox is ready. All you need to do, scroll down to here. You'll see Dropbox running on your taskbar. You can there's two ways of accessing the Dropbox folders. You left click on the icon, it will bring up the options. You either have the Dropbox folder, as you can see here, or you can view it online on Dropbox.com. And that's it. That is how to install Dropbox. In the next short tutorial, I'll show how to create a folder and share it.